I'm Riddhika, Poddar here.
I'm Umang Poddar here.
And we're here with LGD in Tech. We are lab-grown diamond manufacturers and brewers. And even when we're at the stall, there's so many people who are coming and asking us, like, what is this? Like, what are you guys doing here? And like, when we tell them what we do here, they're like, whoa, we never thought about that.
And how diamonds can help technology grow in different industries, not only just gem and jewelry. So all of them have different requirements. It's not just one particular type of diamonds or one particular type of product that we have to make and help them supply it, but it's more on research right now. So the more we research, the more better we are going to get, and the more better the technology is going to get.
Yeah, but it's mainly been more about like the biggest concern which I've noticed personally is about heat sinks. I mean, they want. I've spoken to a lot of people who want how to control the heat that is being caused in the machines that they use. That is one we've seen a lot in
But packagings,
yeah,
and there are
yeah.
some of our opticals. So we need to do a little more research into where these companies have the shows for when they have a new idea maybe, or if they are in development and they're looking for new sources, new power sources, or new ways to find to dissipate heat from their technology.
Definitely. I
It's
mean,
exciting right now. It's exciting for sure.
because with natural diamonds, it was always like, oh, it's too expensive, we can't really use it. And obviously, when we came up with the lab-grown diamond concept, we were like, okay, so we've done a bit in the gem and jewelry, but like, wait a minute, like diamond is originally like the best form, like best form of a substance. So which could have been used but wasn't used because of the prices, but that's not a concern anymore with lab grown diamonds. So let's try and explore, why not now? So that was the thought. It's been an amazing experience. We've had like a really good like 3.5 days that we spent together. It's been amazing. We've had a lot of fun.